Hi everybody. Today's how-to video is on event configuration, and in particular we're going to focus on sending JPEG snapshots to an FTP server. So let's start with the one prerequisite that's required for this, and it's the most commonly missed step. Has nothing to do with the event configuration itself, but we need to make sure that one of the streams is configured for MJPEG video transport. So if we open up the setup menu and click on configuration, we'll see that stream 1 is set for H.264 video and stream 2 I have currently set up for MJPEG. So we need to make sure that one of those streams is configured for MJPEG for the snapshot event to work. So after we've configured MJPEG streaming, open up the event menu and click on Event Configuration and the FTP Email tab. Here I'm going to enter in the IP address of my FTP server, which I'm running on this PC locally. If you've got DNS set up, you can enter the fully qualified domain name of an FTP server. And then I'm going to enter username and password and confirm the password, and then I'm going to enter the folder where I want the snapshots to be sent, and I'm going to click the save button. Apply is normally a temporary change that doesn't survive a power cycle that you can use for testing, but I'm going to click the save button, make it a permanent change, and I've clicked on the auxiliary tab, which will take us to the interval setup for these JPEG snapshots. And I'm just going to do this in 5-second intervals. You'll see in the drop-down combo box it's second, minutes, and hours. And I'm going to do it for just 30 seconds. You can do it for minutes, hours, days, or indefinitely. And for an event trigger, you can select date and time or day of the week, which will expose these checkboxes and drop-down combo boxes. Right now I'm just going to leave it on apply or save. And here's where you pick the snapshot file name format. I'm going to choose some text, how to, and from the drop down combo box here select user text, and I'm also going to do date and time. That way every snapshot will be unique. If you just use the user text, the same snapshot will be overwritten continually, but in particular, when you have the time in there, you'll get a unique snapshot for every snapshot that's sent to the FTP server, in this case every 5 seconds. Click the Save button, and then last but not least, head to the Event Actions, and from here I'm going to drag the FTP snapshot to the periodic timer, enable it by checking the box, and once I click the Save button here, on the right hand side you should see a folder created and snapshots sent to my FTP server. Right now I'm in the home folder of my FileZilla FTP server. So I'm going to click Save, and there's the how-to video folder created, and as you can see, here's my snapshot. Every 5 seconds you'll see another JPEG image appear for the next 30 seconds. And let's take a look at one of the snapshots. And there we go. That's it. I hope this helps. Thanks very much.